Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to USA Eats and Treats, your go-to channel for everything delicious and homemade. In today's fast-paced world, there's something truly special about slowing down, gathering ingredients, and cooking a meal at home. Here, we celebrate the heart of every home, the kitchen. Homemade food isn't just about satisfying hunger, it's about connecting with our roots, preserving traditions, and creating memories around the table. From coast to coast, each dish tells a story of culture, family, and community. At USA Eats and Treats, we bring you classic American flavors, local favorites, and unique recipes that remind us of the warmth of home. Whether it's comfort food passed down through generations or modern twists on old favorites, there's something here for everyone. Food made at home is more than just nutritious, it's a labor of love. It fosters togetherness, encourages creativity, and allows us to share a little piece of ourselves with those we care about. So join us on USA Eats and Treats as we dive into the delicious world of home cooking, where every meal is an opportunity to bring people together, one bite at a time.